My name is Dr. CT Onyema from the Guided Dreams. A beautiful afternoon, sunny, right here in Ontario, Canada. A friend of mine drew my attention to this amazing opportunity, which is a kind of a repository of various kind of opportunities for caregivers. A whole lot of people have been utilizing this opportunity, and I was glad when someone called my attention to this, and I said, okay, why not bring it to you guys right away? Now, this is a platform where you can go in and create a profile for yourself. It doesn't matter your age, it doesn't matter the country where you are currently, it doesn't matter where you want to be. Because while creating that profile, they will ask you basic information, basic questions. So if you're not comfortable unveiling this, I will show you the repercussions of how people create their profile on this platform, and you'll be the judge of it all by yourself. So follow me as I share my screen and show you everything that you need to know about this repository of caregiver opportunity out there. It's not for free. I will tell you right away. These guys, they're not giving these services for free, but it's very well affordable. Because over the time we've been giving, opportunities that are free, but this one you can't get everything in life for free. Sometimes you have to sacrifice a little bit to get what you want. So follow me as I share my screen without wasting much time to show you everything you need to know, how this works, how people are already existing on this platform, and what you can get out of this. See you on the inside. Take care. Right, beautiful people, welcome back to this inner section where I'm bringing you this amazing opportunity with these people they call the world caregivers. Now, in here, you can even download their mobile app and receive instant messages and chat notifications. They are available on the App Store and the Google Play. Two things they offer: caregiver opportunities for those seeking out in the sponsored opportunities to work as a caregiver, and also employers that are ready to sponsor a foreign domestic worker for caregiving services. So what you need, simply because we are not employers, you're looking for these caregiving opportunities, simply click register now if you want to register. But a little bit about this organization, okay? So this is, like I said during my intro, this is an online repository that allows caregivers to create and maintain a profile that describes their strengths, their skills, experiences in an organized manner. Their intelligent search algorithms will make it easy for employers to search and find qualified candidates that will specifically meet their family needs. Because, like I said, two parts: caregivers, second part, the employers. So, simply, how does it work? You register. I'll show you how to do that. You create a profile, which helps you to maintain a comprehensive profile that describes who you are and what you have to offer. You become a member, pay your annual membership fees. Like I told you, it's not for free, but however, it's available. Step number 4, you appear in search results, have your profile viewed, receive messages from employers, and you take it from there. Now, why do we need to go through all this? Basically, because during the fall of 2024, fall is usually around very soon, August, September, we enter into fall. A new pathway is being opened up by the Canadian government that guarantees PR for caregivers on arrival. That is why it is very, very important that people are looking out for sponsored job opportunities out there, because once you get that, you can be able to get into Canada and fit into that pathway that will open in fall 2024 and get your permanent residency on arrival. So this is simply how it works. But before I show you how you're going to go about registering, let's see a little bit about those that are existing on this platform and learn a thing or two from their profile. Now, look at this one. This is Precious F. I guess this is a very private person from home country, Nigeria. So this is how your profile will appear when you register and upload your profile on this platform. So Precious, very private person, has no picture, experience is 10 years. So usually the employer will come and view your profile like this. So this is Precious F, 8 years of experience. As a matter of fact, this is what they call a tagline. Okay, the very first thing that appears close to your picture is what they call the tagline. So you have to make it very, very, very catchy and sell yourself right away. So what I want to bring out is this doesn't tell me about this person. I need to build trust. If I'm making this video, you don't see my face, you don't feel that connection, right? So because you can see my face, there's that little bit of connection and building trust gradually that you have. So if I'm an employer or a recruiter, I won't go for this person without any pictures whatsoever, no matter what, because there are others on this platform as well with good pictures, clear pictures that I can connect with. I don't know if you get my point. So if you are not open enough to share your picture on this platform, maybe that's not the best pathway for you to follow. But you must be comfortable. There's no shame in this. You are seeking out a better employment for yourself, for your future, for your children yet unborn, or those here already. Feel free to give a very decent, clear pictures. Put a smiley face in there. Now, this is how she put in her, oh, she's married. Maybe that's why the picture is not there. She has children. Country of residence, Nigeria, where she want to work in Canada, anywhere. So about her, usually your profile. So these are the experiences they are looking out for, the job care requirements, child care, and all that and all that. So these are some of the questions they will ask you when you are creating your own profile. Okay, very basic questions, very simple, straight to the point. So that is that for this lady, Precious. Okay, kept going, even hobbies, education. Do you have CPR, the language, English, French, your credentials? Have you assessed your degree? That is what they mean by this Canadian ECA, Educational Credential Assessment. I keep on telling you guys, invest in getting your credential assessed. It will help you. If you have IELTS, if you have the funds, go take it. It will also help you. Even your PR afterwards, it will also help you. Please. Now, let's take a look at the second person in here. So if you go to page number 2, this is, you see these guys, they have a picture. This is another shy person without any picture and all that and all that. Okay, so I can feel very well connected with somebody who has a picture in here. Okay, so this person is somewhere in the United Kingdom seeking employment in Canada, and that is very simple because UK has no stability. Sorry to say, you they can't really predict what's going to happen with immigration in UK in the next 2 years. So those of our brothers and sisters there with COS and all that, they are looking for ways to come in. So this person is in UK, earning in pounds, but seeking out better opportunities, maybe Canadian citizenship, permanent residency here in Canada. Okay, so the same questions all the way. Sell yourself, tell them what you can do. She can lift 50 kg, 110 pounds. Wow. I'm willing to care for a family with 3 children and all that and all that. Answer the basic questions as truthful as possible. So this is the existing profile in there. Now, what is the pricing like for caregivers? Like I said, you have to pay your basic membership fee or the premium. Basic goes at a discount price of 49 US dollars, while the premium is 73 US dollars. So a little bit of differences between the two. For the basic, you can simply be searched. Okay, you appear in caregiver search results, but for the premium, it includes everything for the basic membership and more. One thing there is for the premium, you have the privilege of putting in more pictures, and you can also put a personal video where you speak and sell yourself. That's gonna make you outstanding from others. I haven't seen anybody here with a video. I didn't search all through, but the little time I spent on this site, I didn't see anybody with any video talking anything. So if you can go a step further, maybe it's for 1 year, sacrifice that $73, give it your best shot, make a short video, put it there. Another advantage is to have the interview questionnaires where you tell the employers, you let them know and get to know you better by giving them access to a questionnaire that you have filled out already. Okay, and they will definitely give you a premium badge. For sure, guaranteed, when they search, those in premium, most likely, I'm taking a guess, will be found first before those having the basic plan. But that is up to you to decide. But if I am to say, if you are short of funds, please do well to maximize the opportunity available with the basic plans. Okay, finally, how do you register? Simply click join now. Okay, click over here, join now, and you will have this dialog box coming up. Register now is where you are meant to click. They will say, thanks for taking an interest in joining us. Before proceeding to the registration, take a minute to answer some basic questions. Are you under the age of 21? Of course, I'm not. I will say no. Criminal record. Definitely nobody will take you if you have a criminal record. So simply say no there. But if you have any that you want to disclose, simply answer sincerely. But I won't advise you to answer yes in there. Nobody wants to employ a criminal, right? Would you? Now, do you have a medical condition that will stop you from traveling? If you have any serious medical condition that might affect your visa, for sure, they wouldn't like to get in somebody who eats deeply into their, health sector. But if you have those basic issues, you are free and good to go. So click no, click confirm, and next. Fill in these basic details: first name, last name. Put in a functional email address. As a matter of fact, make your email as professional as possible. My name is Dr. CT Onyema. I have an email. I can put in as ct.onyema, or put in my first name, last name, and maybe a number 2 if my first name, last name is not existing. I can have a name, CT Onyema, and I will use an email, maybe talktoyourboy@gmail.com. That is non-professional. Please make your email as professional as possible. For country, select country where you are right now. I'm in Canada. I will put this +1. If you're in Nigeria, you select Nigeria. Philippines +63 and all that. Argentina, Kenya, Tanzania. Search in, put in your country as +254 for my fellows in Kenya and all that. Create a password, fill in these details, okay, your birthday and everything. Select I'm not a robot, and you register. Now they will send you an email, for you to confirm your email address. Once you confirm your email address, remember, these other steps will follow, where you are requested to create your profile. So first thing, you register, you create your profile, you become a member by paying that 45 or the $73, and finally you'll be found and you are communicated to. That is, in a nutshell, one of the ways you can put yourself out there and believe that an employer reaches out to you. Does that make sense? If yes, why not smash that subscription button below if this is the first time you are coming across our content? Share this opportunity. That will help YouTube, suggest it to others when you like this video as well. And share information. Don't hurt it. It doesn't help. And as usual, leave us your comment. Do you find this informative enough? How can we do more? Connect with us if you want your resume to be reviewed. We gave our 50 resume optimization section for free in the month of May. It's a lot of work. Those guys that have benefited so far, they must have testified. They are still testifying of the effort we put into this. So reach out to us using this email right now on your screen if you need your resume to be optimized, and maybe we can throw in a cover letter for you as well. Thank you very kindly for being with us on this one. And as usual, I'll see you in yet another one.